This tutorial was made using the Madam Glam Perfect collection. All of these shades are perfect colors. Today we're going to be doing a spooky set with the perfect orange, and I think this is the perfect Halloween shade. So I'm going in with my Polygel. It's a nice neutral color, which will be the perfect base for the nail art that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be experimenting with some spooky characters. I want to draw some pumpkin faces. I want to try to draw Oogie Boogie Man, but that could be the next tutorial. But I did want to attempt. I really hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial and learn a bit. Please enjoy as I blend in all this polygel with my stick and enjoy the music.
Like you do, I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do, you do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface.
This Model 1's Polygel is so easy to blend out and so soft. It's usually very warm where I record, but the Model 1's, it holds up really well, and it allows me to just float the Polygel around with my stick. You see there are some lumps and bumps, but I'll just file those right on out. Everything gets smooth and nice, and it cures evenly and perfectly. I don't even have any Polygel bubbles. Today it's really important that I make my nail art as perfect as I can and my shaping as perfect as I can, because that's the theme of this video, perfection. So I'm gonna go through and be the most detailed with my nail art and try to be as detailed with my application, even though I can be out of frame sometimes. Yeah, so now I'm just going in and filing. Look at that beautiful apex I was able to achieve because I used my cuticle stick. I love blending polygel with the cuticle stick way more than with a brush because it just gives you such a flawless application. Shout out again, I always shout her out in all my videos, Tips from Teeks. And I've been asking her about a polygel application for clear, because the clear polygel is so unruly and sometimes it gives you flaws that the colored polygels do not. Like my cuticle area, after like a while it gets crusty. Now I'm not sure if that's because I need to change the bit I'm using to a cuticle bit that is tapered, or because clear polygel just acts funny. But yeah, I had asked Tegan about getting rid of the crusty appearance that the clear polygel gives once fully cured and a couple days go by and your set, is settling in. It just looks a little crusty. I did a couple nails at school. I'm so proud of myself because you guys know I am in school. I graduate in February. I cannot wait. But I did 2 sets on my classmates, and I will insert them here. They're so cute. Their nails are still lasting, and I did their nails like a week ago. It is October 21st today when I'm doing this voiceover, and I did the girls' nails, not these nails, the ones in my school. I did the girls' nails about last week. So yeah, I'm very excited, and I started using gold finger glue. And that has the best retention so far for me. If you guys know of any stronger glues, feel free to comment them down below. I would love to try out everything until I find the perfect glue to use, because now more and more people are asking for me to do their nails, and I just feel so happy and so proud of myself that I got to this point. It did take time, and I'm excited about this. But now you see me going in with my drill and making sure I refine those tips. I love a little moon shape towards the end. I love that. I don't use the magnets to get my length. I just go in and make sure I check it by hand. Each nail I inspect it thoroughly. The magnets don't do it for me. The magnets don't scream accuracy to me. They just don't. So that's why I like to go in and just refine the shape and perfect the look by hand by comparing each hand. Compare the right hand to the left hand and just make them look totally similar. Okay, that is what you're supposed to do. I'm not saying anything that's unique. You're supposed to make sure you go in and really clean up that shape. And I took my time and I made sure that everything was perfect. Okay, So yeah, ladies, like take a look. Well, not ladies, sweeties. Take a look at how everything is coming together. You just take your time and make sure you refine that shape. Now I'm going to be going in with my top coat so we can start this nail art. I cannot wait. All right, enjoy the music. I'm going to be quiet now. I'm going in with this super glassy top coat. I like to draw my nail art over the top coat because over the base coat it spreads, but when I draw it over my top coat it comes out so wonderful and so smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna go in now with my perfect orange from the Madam Glam Perfect Collection, and I'm gonna draw my pumpkin Frenchies. Well, orange Frenchies, they're gonna be pumpkins. But this is how I draw my Frenchie. You know, I am a beginner polygel tech, so I am finding my footing, but I don't like to use any of the hacks. I just kind of like to find the center of the nail and then draw my Frenchie that way. And it comes out beautiful. I go in after. You want to clean up any little mistakes that you made. Go in and clean them up. Take your time. Make sure that your Frenchie is not lumpy. Make sure that the polish is smooth. Madam Glam's polish I recommend the most because it's just so self-leveling. And if you have any excess, you just wipe it on off. It cures perfectly. Even if you have to put a generous layer for like polishes that are somewhat sheer, you have to put like thicker layers than usual, they're gonna cure just the same. Madam Glam polish is really high quality. I apologize so much for being out of frame here. This nail came out so cute. All the nails came out cute, but yeah, so as you guys can see, look at that leveling that it did. And I'm just going in and making sure everything is smooth. Look at that. Look at how smooth it got. Yeah, so that's what I love about the Madam Glam polishes. And I'm finishing up these Frenchies so that I can go in and draw my pumpkins on it. I'm going to clean that up, guys. Do not worry. Please enjoy the rest of this nail art, and I'll be back to chat with you guys momentarily.
Just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley sprint fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal.
Guys, I apologize for the glare. I turned up the exposure while I was recording to about 2, and it's doing something. It's really triggering the exposure to flicker around, so please bear with me. Guys, this is my favorite nail. This is really my favorite nail, sweeties. Look at this nail. This was my first time doing this kind of nail art. I kind of just have been drawing inspiration from just my visual recall and the pictures that I see on Instagram and TikTok and just all the nail art I see all over social media. I just want to recreate bits and pieces of what I'm inspired by. And that was my first time doing like a 90s inspired nail art. I think they like kind of revamped it. It's definitely up to date. But the up-to-date 90s inspired nail art, that was my first time doing it, and I think I did pretty well. This was also my first time drawing a pumpkin. You guys just want to make sure that you draw those 2 triangles up top, fill them in, and then slowly make your smile. Like, I sped this up a lot, but it took me so long to do this. I want to try to draw Venom next. Venom and the Oogie Boogie Man. I think I'm going to do a Venom set and then a Oogie Boogie set right after. It's just drawing these things can be kind of challenging. And I did have to go in with 2 coats of the black for these eyeballs because these were pumpkin eyes. They were supposed to be mean pumpkin eyes, evil pumpkin eyes. But yeah, I use my stick for everything, as you can see. Do you see why you need your stick? Look at this. I'm refining my nail art, touching up my nail art with the stick as well. And I really wish that you guys could clearly see. Yeah, this is what made it pop for real. Like the little mouth on it. Look at that. So evil. Do you see the evilness? I'm going to go back in and sharpen up those teeth, well, the pumpkin mouth. Yes. This is the next one here. Yeah, it was a couple pumpkin fingers. I don't remember exactly which ones were pumpkins versus which ones were other, but yeah. And wait till you see the cow print design. It's going to be so cute. When she asked me for cow print, I was like, wait a minute, is that even gonna look right? But black, white, and orange, they complement each other so well. So it came out fire. It was really fire. Like this time I got a little input from the person in the chair. Usually, you know, when I do nails, they just ask me to freestyle because they're usually just modeling for my channel. I don't do actual nails. I just like to record these videos for you guys so you can learn to do your nails at home. You can learn stuff about polygel. You can get tips for your shaping, just, you know, just as education. I want you guys to learn along with me. I might have some tips that you may not be aware of. I might be teaching some of you to use your stick. I never know. But I hope that I am, you know. I hope that I'm inspiring you guys to try different things with your nail art, you know, because that's what I'm doing. I take risks and I don't always know what I'm doing, but I just trust the process and I keep going. And look how this is coming out. It's coming out like super adorable. Back at it again with that perfect orange. This is easily my favorite orange. Out of all the orange polish that I have, my favorite is the Madam Glam Perfect Orange. And I do have a coupon code for you guys. Yes, Sirski. Check the comment section. Well, not the comment section, the description box. Check the description box, and I have a coupon code for Madam Glam. I'm a little tongue-tied right now, but if you're still watching, like this video. Like this video for healthy hair. Like this video for healthy nails. Like this video for a new man with more money. Like it. You used to be this shit slick the body. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the body. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. This is easily the most in-depth nail art video that I've ever given you guys, and that's because I've been working on my angles. So when I record, I just had to find my footing as far as knowing what angles work best for me and knowing which rigs to record with, like knowing how to just set up my camera. Like setup is so important, and when it comes to how your videos come out, the quality and just what you're able to capture on video, your setup really matters. Like there were times where I was recording with things that weren't made to record on the desktop, and you could tell like my quality of my videos that I recorded have definitely improved from, like, if you go back and watch my older videos, like, oh my gosh, my older videos, you could tell that I was just using what I had. But now I have an overhead rig and I'm able to zoom in close and show you guys all the details. So now you can see this. I hate zooming in super close, but close enough to where you can see her cuticle is fine for me. And about the cuticles, I don't really like to nip their cuticles too much anymore. I was doing that like a few videos back, but now it's no more of that. I can get it pretty clean with a drill, and I just feel like the cuticle nipper, it's not for everybody. I have a lot of biters, and they like to get their skin clipped off, and I just don't want to clip off nobody's skin anymore. Like, is that all right? Is that all right with you? Because I don't clip off my skin when I do it, so I hate doing it to them. Even though I'm doing their sets, like their sets are like permanent sets. When I do my sets for you guys and it's just me doing one hand, I pop those off right after I'm done recording. Whereas these nail sets, these are to stay on. That's why I really want to, like, after I'm done with school, that's when like I'll start taking people. Or maybe when I'm like closer to being done with school, then I'll start taking people. I just don't want to start taking nail clients and then swamp myself, because I do still have to create content for you guys here, and I edit my videos myself, and I record the videos by myself. I do all of this by myself. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it's here. the cow print nails. It went so well with the design. Guys, please stay tuned to the end so you can see how beautiful these nails came out, because this was easy. Like, I feel like this was my best, like, festive set. Like, for a theme, for a holiday, Halloween, this was my best. This was really creative. And I have a couple more Halloween sets for you guys. The videos that I release, as long as it's October, they're going to be Halloween nails. So, no worries. They'll have a spooky element or some type of Halloween element. I know what, month we're in. So, I'm definitely going to fit the theme. I got the memo. We're doing Halloween.
I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
Know it gets better, even in the rain. You gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad, the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller. I put the knee to you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
Now on to drawing my ghost face, guys. I learned how to draw a ghost face, and now I want to do ghost face on everybody's nails. Like, I actually want to go and try a more detailed ghost face design now that I've gotten this one down packed. Look at me going off on my dotting tool to create the hood. Who do I think I am? Like, I think I'm nice with it. Definitely nice with it. But I'm gonna do the ghost face that has more details, the lines around the brows, just like those smile lines and things like that. He had kind of more wrinkles and contours in his face. In here, it's really like flat, but it still looks amazing. Like, look how perfect. This is your sign to stop being afraid and draw that ghost face. It's gonna come out cute. This nail, I definitely freestyled. I didn't know what direction I was going in. And now that I'm looking back, I should have drew like a little crescent moon or something on the top area of the Frenchie, because it ate, but it could have ate some more. Like, this could have did a little more. But like I said, it was a freestyle and this was off the top of my head. It still came out really, really cute. Here's the big reveal, guys. Take a look at the nails. Ah! Oh my God. I'm sorry I screamed. I hope I didn't scare anybody, but look at how cute these are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who may like it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.